If you're feeling under the weather in blue, then cough off's for you.
Did you do that essay in English yet?
What essay?
What do you mean, what essay? She assigned it 2 days ago.
Well,
Oh my goodness.
no, I sure didn't. What did you get? 1 through 3? I, J, and F. You alright? No, dude, I've been sick for like the past week. Alright, you get some sleep. I'll go get some medicine.
You got really far in your report. Trent hasn't even started his.
Are you serious?
Yeah,
Hey, are you okay?
not really. I've been sick for the past week.
Let's look up some cough syrup. There's some at Walmart.
How much?
$5.49.
What's it called?
Cough off. Let's go pick it up.
Oh, what's up?
Hi, Paige. What are you here doing?
Trying to find stuff for Trent.
Yeah, I'm looking for Taylor stuff. Oh, here's cough off.
Alright. I'll try this.
I saw this one online.
I'm just picking this.
Oh, alright.
Hopefully it works. Trenton. Hey.
That's gross, dude.
Yeah, it's great. Dude, you really aren't better yet.
No, dude, I feel the worst I have all week.
Trenton, I heard you coughing, and this is cough off. It worked for Taylor. I think it can work for you.
Cough off.
Yeah, dude, it's like the best stuff ever.
She's perfectly fine.
I should have got that for you.
Thanks.
Get back to your normal routine in 48 hours.